Good evening, and thank you. CLSI is really about building California's innovation pipeline. In addition to supporting some of the most compelling life science startups in our region, helping employees develop their careers, CLSI is working to expose, develop, and inspire students to pursue the vast and rewarding careers in the life sciences industry. And we also seek to celebrate some of the greatest young students who are doing just that. So I'd like to take another moment to thank this year's Elizabeth Schar's Biotechnology Educator of the Year Award, UCSF's Science and Education Health Partnership Program, for the thousands of students' lives that you impact each year. Our industry owes so much to you for sparking that initial interest that will propel some of these students to continue their science exploration. So thank you very much for your great work. This evening, I would like to highlight a couple of other additional STEM programs and partnerships that give me great hope for the future of the industry. First, CLSI's 2019 Bay Area BioGENEius winners. Each year, CLSI's Bay Area BioGENEius program, so generously supported by Amgen, thank you, highlights some of the most outstanding research, outstanding high school student research in our region. And when I say outstanding, I mean really outstanding. Our judges are CSOs and senior scientists every year, and they are blown away by what these students are doing, saying they weren't even doing any of this in their own PhDs. So I would like to now introduce each of our BioGENEiuses, beginning with this year's third place winner, Shreya Garg, at the time an 11th grader from Notre Dame High School in San Jose.
Hello, everyone. My name is Shreya Garg, and I'm currently a senior at Notre Dame High School in San Jose. My project was determining the roles of CUSB, flagellin, and ACR-AB, Toll-C, in bacterial responses to sub-inhibitory concentrations of silver nanoparticles. And And through my project, I looked into various bacterial defense mechanisms prominent in gram-negative bacteria for their role in resistance to nanosilver, and found that because of its adhesive properties, flagellin was able to aggregate the nanoparticles so that they were no longer toxic to the bacteria. Thank you.
I'm so glad that they are announcing their project titles. Our second place winner, Shruti Sridhar, also then an 11th grader from Notre Dame High School.
Hello, everyone. My name is Shruti Sridhar, and I'm currently a senior at Notre Dame High School in San Jose. My project was investigating genetic mechanisms of the tumor endothelium using single-cell RNA sequencing analytics and developmental trajectory mapping. So in my project, I developed a scalable machine learning model to evaluate blood vessel composition in both healthy and cancerous tissues. And my research is valuable towards designing immunotherapies for cancer that can overcome the immunosuppressive nature of tumor vascular endothelial cells. Thank you.
And finally, our first place winner, Melanie Kwan, then a 10th grader from Las Lomas High School in Walnut Creek. Each year, our first place winner goes on to compete at the International BioGENius Challenge at the Bio International Convention last June. Melanie did us proud and took home one of the second highest honors at the International Challenge for her speech.
Hello, my name is Melanie Kwan, and I am currently a junior attending Las Lomas High School in Walnut Creek. Earlier this year, I had the amazing opportunity to attend the International BioGENius Challenge, which was truly an inspirational and life-changing opportunity. A huge thank you to Amgen and the California Life Sciences Institute for sponsoring that competition. The title of my research is Using Byproducts of Algae-Based Biofuel Production to Create a Sustainable Cycle of Compostable and Water-Soluble Algobioplastics. The novelty of my research is that I was able to repurpose a waste product to create a new material that was compostable in soil, water-soluble, served as a natural fertilizer, and exhibited similar physical properties to the conventional petroleum-based plastics that are used widely today. My hopes with my research now and going forward is to bring us one step closer to solving our global plastic pollution crisis. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 2019 BioGENiuses. But wait, there's more. CLSI has also had the great honor to partner with an amazing program that is changing the face of life sciences. Created several years ago by the amazingly talented she's, I would say, I'll just leave it at that. The incredibly talented Marlena Jackson, who is currently a diversity talent partner at Genentech. NexGENEGirls is focused on empowering high school girls from San Francisco's underrepresented communities to pursue STEM degrees, and they do this through rigorous hands-on training, leadership development, and internships in Bay Area labs. Many of the NexGENEGirls they start the program in the summer of 9th grade, and then they can come back every summer to deepen their research. And as you will see, this is some very impressive research. So it is my great honor to introduce 3 of our NexGENEGirls seniors to you this evening, beginning with Ayuche Okori.
Hi, everyone. My name is Ayuche Okori, and I am a current senior at Lowell High School. So this summer, I interned at the Gladstone Institute in the Srivastava lab, and I studied the interactions between 2 cardiac transcription factors, which are islet-1 and NKX2.5. So I tested different domain mutants and different variants to see if binding with DNA would be disrupted or if these 2 proteins would even interact at all. In the future, I hope to test these proteins on different DNA motifs and see if I get different results. And hopefully that will help me in understanding their role in cardiac development and more specifically congenital heart defects. Thank you.
Our NexGENEGirls senior, Samara Rashid.
Hi everyone, my name is Samara Rashid and I'm currently a senior at Lowell High School. This summer, I worked at UCSF under Dr. Linda Giudice, and my project focused on the effects of bisphenol A and other endocrine disrupting chemicals on endometrial stromal fibroblasts. Bisphenol A mimics naturally occurring hormones such as estrogen, and this can lead to overstimulation, which can alter the morphology of endometrial stromal fibroblasts, resulting in poor pregnancy outcomes. This sparked my interest in working in healthcare because by continuing research on endometrial stromal fibroblasts and the effects by endocrine disrupting chemicals, we can contribute to implementing policies which can reduce the exposure to many women. Thank you.
And finally, NexGENEGirls senior Cameron Ross.
Good evening. My name is Cameron Ross, and I'm currently a senior at Sacred Heart Cathedral Prep. This summer, I interned at UCSF in the Weiss Lab, which focuses on various neurodevelopmental disorders, particularly autism. I studied genes located on a region of the 16th chromosome, 16p11.2, which is a copy number variant known to be associated with autism and various neurodevelopmental disorders. Studying neurons and neural progenitor cells derived from iPSCs of carriers of this copy number variant, I found statistical significance for the gene KCTD13 and its association with the development of autism. This research in the future could lead to new therapies for autism. Thank you.
So I want to acknowledge one other NexGENEGirls graduate who was unable to join us here this evening. The first graduate of the program, Trinity Boykin, who has participated in NexGENEGirls since 9th grade until she was snatched up this summer as one of the youngest interns selected for a research internship at St. Mary's College, where she has also received a full scholarship. So, ladies and gentlemen, our NexGENEGirls. As I look and listen to these young women, and it is no loss on me that it is a lot of nice young women researchers here, I see students who've really worked so hard. I mean, it's amazing what they're giving up. I mean, they're giving up a Friday night to be here. I see strong leaders, strong women leaders in the making, and I cannot help but wonder what they might accomplish and discover in their own careers and lifetimes, what future treatments, diagnoses, cures, and solutions are standing before us tonight. So thank you, ladies, for your hard work and inspiration. We really wish you the best in your careers. I also want to thank all the teachers who work so hard to support these young students, especially in this very high cost of living Bay Area. And especially for this audience, the industry partners who step forward to provide the mentoring, the internships, and other opportunities that allow a student to feel that spark for the first time, that life-changing moment when a student gets turned on to science, and for all the ways that you are helping to develop the next generation. When I reach out to you to get involved, this is why. So please continue to open your doors to our students. I promise you, you will have a profound impact and you will make a difference. They are our future, so thank you.